Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to categorize income for accurate tax reporting. Properly categorizing income ensures that your tax report reflects the correct revenue. Here's how to do it. First step, understand Wave's income categories. Now, some common default income categories include sales, services, rental income, and other incomes. So these are the available ones that you can use when categorizing. Second, review imported transactions. So to review imported transactions, just go to transactions and then use filter to find uncategorized income. And then you're going to click to edit each entry and then assign it to the correct category. Third, split mixed income entries. If one deposit includes multiple types of income, for example, product and services, all you got to do is just click the transaction and then select split this transaction. Now you can assign the correct category and amount to each portion. 4. Create custom income categories. Now, if you want to create custom income categories, all you got to do is go to chart of accounts, and then under that, you're going to find income. Under this income, just click add a new income account, and then you can name it whatever you want. Use it during categorizing for better report segmentations. 5. Reconcile income with invoice. Now make sure income from connected accounts match the invoices sent in Wave. You can mark them as payment received to avoid duplicated income. A pro tip for you guys, clean income categorization helps to reduce audit risk and to improve clarity for both taxes and business analysis. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.